everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be explaining you how you can make your own beautiful looking website like I have made in this video. And I will be explaining you each one line of code that I have used to make this website. And from this video you will learn about the concepts of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And before going into the video, I want to tell you that um, I have more focused on CSS and HTML. If you don't know about JavaScript much, so don't worry, you will learn some more concepts. And um, yeah, that's it. You will learn some more concepts, and just a little bit of JavaScript is used. And yeah, so let's get started. And so first of all, as you can see on my screen, there is 3 pages I have made. This is, you can see my arrow here: travel home, travel CSS and travel about. So this website is about travelism. This is a travel website. So without any wasting time, just I will click on go live, and you can see the website, how beautiful it looks, and I will explain you how you can make this website. So yes, as you can see, this website I have made, and I will explain you how you can make also this. And so let me take you a review of this website. So first of all, when you scroll, so first of all, the nav bar, as you can hover it, you can see it turns black. So there is 3 pages: home, about and contacts. And on the right side there is a search button. As you can tap, see a little search bar comes in, and when you tap again it goes up. And so yeah, I um, I have written the type of the name of the company, Blink Trip. So you can write any other name, and then some descriptions, right? As you can see here, some descriptions about the company, what you can tell. And right on the left corner I have a buy button, but it doesn't do anything. You can you can add some link, so that a user, when a user will click, it takes him or her to the buy page. So, and there is a logo, and when we scroll down, you can see, first of all, there is a heading: travel the whole world. So this explains what is your website, what is done. And yeah, that's it. And as you can scroll, the first thing is India. So I have written some countries name, like the user can explore them and choose whether to visit or not. So at the top you can see there is written India in the mid of the picture, the mid of the image. So it is a, you know just basic experience. As the user will scroll, it will just see the name of the country. So yeah, this is India. And then you can see this description about the country, what we will provide you during the travel. And then below it you can see the rating and the price. So yeah, and below it there is a schedule a trip button. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And like that I have added total of 7 countries. So first of all India, then New York. Well, New York is not a country, I know, but I have added the place, you can say. So every place have a rating, price and a scheduler trip button and some descriptions. Okay, so the third one is London, and as you can see, France, Thailand, as we go down, Italy, and the last one is Japan. So yeah, we have added these 7 countries. And you can see here it is written travel facilities. So as you go down there, you can see the 4 facilities which our company will provide you. And as you can see in the first look, the user will see these four facilities, which is hotel, food, guide and money saver. And you can see when I hover on these, the the icon gets bigger, and a box shadow appears on the corner of the boxes. And at last, as all websites have, there is a contact us page. Well, not page, there is a contact us what can you say? So there is email, in context of phone number and website, and below that we have some social media links, so like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. And as you hover it, the box shadow becomes a little black. So yeah, this gives a little user friendly vibes, so you can add this too. And at last, like every website have, there's a copyright. So I have written copyright 2022, all rights reserved. You can also write the name of the company, like in this case I can write Blinktrip, but it's fine. So this is the about nee, this is the home page. Okay, so this is the home page. Okay, so let me show you one more feature I have added. So as you can see, there is a heart given here. So as you see in Instagram or Twitter, there is heart that you can like, or whatever. If you like, you can tap on it and it becomes red. So as I tap on it, you see it does a 360 and turns into red. What, like, how cool is it? Like, I tap on it and it turns 360, and yeah, it changes its color. So yeah, you can do this for every country. This is just a little touch, it is not necessary, but you can do it. So I have done it to show you that this is a option, you can do it. Okay, so this is it for the home page. And for before going to the about page, let me show you this contact. So if you're thinking this is another page, so you're wrong. When I click on the contact, it take me to the bottom where is the contact us details are. So you don't need a separate page for contact, because this is all the contact is here. Okay, so you don't need a separate page. And so let's take a look about at the about page. So yeah, this is the about page. First of all, you can see a heading which says about us, and then when we scroll, there's a heading, what is Blinktrip. So yeah, few questions that users ask, what is Blinktrip, and some answers about that. And then our journey, like what is the journey of the Blinktrip till now, what experience they have had. And then the success of Blinktrip, like what they have achieved till now in their journey, and what are the achievements they have made. And the next one is also a question that says what our customer says. So this is like a review of customers which have previous experience with Blinktrip. And yeah, this is all about page. And in the bottom, you can see also a contact us heading, and you can see all the three options which we have viewed in the home page also: email, phone number and website. And below there is the four social media links and a copyright message. So this thing we have viewed in home page. So this is all about. So let me take you the code. So this is okay, so I hope you can see this code. So let me zoom a little bit. Okay, so I think now you are able to see it. So first of all, as you can see, there is the boilerplate. I have titled the website Blinktrip. And first of all, there is burger lines. Burger line, if you don't know, um, is a burger menu which makes your website responsive. So I have inspected this website, and if you look at what our website will look on iPad Air, so this will the appearance on iPad Air. So if we look at iPhone XR, so this is the appearance. So as you can see on the top left corner, there is a burger menu, these three lines. Yeah, this is called the burger menu. And when you click on it, a little nav bar comes out of place, out of nowhere, and when you click on the cross it disappears. So yeah, this is the nav bar on your phone. All of the websites have this, and this is what I am talking about in this burger div. Okay, and the next thing is header. Under header we have navbar, ul, and then we have some images, not some images, the logo of our company and some list. So the first is home, about, and contact, and then there is search, as I have shown you the search and a search icon image. Okay, so let me do this so you can see this side by side. Okay, so yeah, I think this will do a great job. Okay, okay, so this is our nav. So this is our nav, and then after nav you can see this heading. Okay, so the heading, blink blink trip. So as you can see, first of all we have some lorems to define our company, then we have a buy label, then we have an up arrow which I will tell you later about this, so don't worry. Then we have the heading travel the world, as I show you this one, travel the world. And then we have all the countries, all the countries, like you can see here, this is India, and this is New York, and all of this. So this is the Japan, and this is all the countries. And after that there is also a heading travel facilities. So as you can see here, this is the travel facilities right here. Okay, right here. And in this we have 4 categories, like hotel, as you can see here, hotel, food, guide, and money saver, like this one, hotel, food, guide, and money saver. Okay, and at last we have contact us, in which we have written our email, phone number, and website. And after that we have insert some images, which you can see right here, the Facebook logo. So we have 4 logos: the Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. And at last we have copyright, and this, if you don't know, this is the method to write a copyright symbol. As you can see, a little c with a circle on it. So this is the way you can insert a copyright symbol in your website. You can type and copy and a semicolon. Okay, so so this is the whole body of our website. Okay, the home page. I have not gone to the about page, this is only the home page. And in and below it there is a script. Okay, so as I have told you earlier, I have used some concepts of JavaScript also. So the first thing is loading. Okay, so I have not show you the loading which I have made. So what does it do? Let me show you. Oh yeah, also you can see this blue arrow which I was talking about earlier. Let me show you the code. Where is it? Let me show you. Okay. um Wait a minute. So yeah, this line you can see, um yeah, this line, this is the arrow. When I click on it, it just take me to the top of the page. So it just add a little bit more user friendly experience. It is not necessary for your website, but if you want a more user friendly, then you can do it. So I have done it. So yeah, like if you're just scrolling down there, and if you want to just go up to the top of the web page, so you can just click on it and it will take you to the top of the web page. Okay, so yeah, I was talking about the loading. So when you click on the home again, you see this, the green line comes in and just disappear in a fraction of second. You see the green line. So this is what I added to make just a more user friendly experience. And when you click on the about page, it also comes. Okay, so now you can clearly see when I click on the about, it appears. So it just adds a little more touch, it is not necessary. Okay, so this is it. And when we continue in the JavaScript, you can see this about page, script about page. When I click on the about page, it take me to the about, and then we have this one, you can see right here. This is the function of scroll. This is also known as parallax effect, if you have heard. So yeah, this is the parallax effect, like I am scrolling, the background image is scrolling but at a different rate, so it gives a more, you know different experience and a more a good experience. This, the image is scrolling but at a different rate. So yeah, you can also use this, um, you know by changing the background position Y and adding some numbers. And then after that I have added the toggle button. Let me just, here it is, the search icon, which is also known as a toggle. So if you click it, the search appears, and if you click it again, it disappears. So this is known as toggle button. So yeah, this is it. And after that, yeah, this is all. Let me show you. Yeah, this section is used for the hearts. The heart option right here. If I click on it, it turns 360-degree, and the color becomes red, so it appears like if you like it. Okay. And down at the bottom we have navbar burger line. So I think this is for the burger menu which I showed when we view our website on any other device like phones or smaller screens. So let's go to the CSS part which I have made for the travel home. Okay, so see, this CSS is only for home. For about, we have a separate CSS. So this thing, the CSS, it is only for the home page. So as you can see, first of all, there is some margin 0, padding 0, then body overflow x hidden. Okay, so no overflow will be seen, and then some animations which I show you: the loading screen, the burger menu, the logo, search, and then yes, and I have commented so many lines, so don't do this. Okay, don't do this, it is a bad habit. So just delete these. I will delete after this video, so just delete these comments which are useless, not comments, these types of which is not required. Okay, and then we have a hover effect like what I have done here. Just you hover, it turns black. And here are some CSS of countries, and yeah, this is all the CSS. And yeah, this is all about it. um, so yeah, I have to show you this one. So as you can see, this is media query, and what is this used for? It is used for making your website responsive. So as I show you earlier, when I well, let me show you again. So when I review my website on any device, on any smaller device like a phone or tablet, so it will just compresses it. Okay, so like this, as you can see, when I decrease the width, you can see the width here. Okay, the width here, it is 1575. So as we can squeeze it, the width decreases. Okay, the width decreases, and then at a point it becomes 1000. And so like it was and so as you can see, um, just as we touch the 850 mark, 850, the search icon disappears. See, look at here, the search icons disappear when we hit the 850 mark. So I have done this to make my website responsive, and when we hit the 650 mark, you can see the transition of becoming the hamburger menu. 650, you can see the whole navigation bar disappears and a burger menu appears. So if you click it, it appears. And yeah, see, it is fully responsive. And let me show you how far we can get, how thin we can get. So I have made this website till 150, like, see the number above here, it is 150, and the whole websites look a little bit weird, but it's okay. So yeah, this is all about it. Hope you like this video. If you do, please like on this video and do comment what you want next, and I will see you on the next one.